Hi there. Today we are going to verify business manager from Bangladesh because we have received too many requests from our followers or viewers that you should verify the business manager from Bangladesh as well. So let's start. Process is simple. If your eligible for verification business button is not eligible, you can watch my other video. I will paste the link in description as well. You can follow it and button will be visible. So let's start with the verification. I have made the documents already with me that I will put in description as well, so you can get it from there. This is incorporation certificate from Bangladesh that I have made the Word version that I have converted in PDF as well, that you can convert from I love PDF. And some persons complained that I love PDF is not working, so you can use the Adobe Acrobat. I love Adobe Acrobat. It's works same as I love PDF, so you can use any of them, whichever works for you. So this is the utility bill. So I have documents with me, and the information, the company name I pick, from where I pick, let me show you. So I pick the company name from here. It's the search entity name. It's the basically the directory of Bangladeshi companies. So I put a random name here. It's I just put Dhaka, and the companies appeared here and their registration number as well. So I have pasted the same information into this and into this as well. So let's start with the verification uh, by using the simple procedure. So starting with the verification, okay, selecting the country as Bangladesh. Next, private company as usual. So business name, gonna pick it from here. Okay, so next, the address, which we just copy from Google. It's the address. So country is Bangladesh. Postal code is 1205. City is Dhaka. So let's click on the next. Thanks. Now let's put the phone number. So I just explore a temp number website from where I pick a number. So let's copy in this way. Oh, it's getting failed. No worries. I just have it on my document as well. So picking it from, okay, now on the website. So here's a temp domain email that I picked up, and this can work as the domain as well. So I'm just copying this domain and pasting it here. www dot. So next. Okay, so I just got some information about listing thing. So I picked this one. Okay, now I have to upload a document that shows my company name. So you can see the address is displaying here. So this address should exactly be matched with the document address. This one. It should be exactly matched. So I'm removing Bangladesh from it and pasting the exact one here. It, yeah, demolish the uh, pattern, or you can say the format. So I just corrected the format. Okay, so that's fine. Formatting doesn't really matter because it's being read by the bots. Okay, so let's upload the incorporation certificate that I just converted into PDF. Okay, so is it having business phone number or address? No. So I have to put utility bill there. As I just like tampered the address, so am converting the document again from Word to PDF. Okay, it's a simple process to convert it. I'll paste this site link and also the Adobe Acrobat link as well in description so you can use it for your own. Okay, so next step is just uploading the utility bill. Let me make sure it's the right one. Yeah, it's the right one. Okay, so that's almost done. The last step left, which is email verification over the phone verification. Okay, so there are multiple options here. So I'm gonna do with email. Also, you can choose it by doing the phone number as well. If you think that the domain's not gonna work and so on things, you can use the phone number as well. Because I have used the temp phone number, which receives the SMS as well. So either way that you can use. Now I have put an need to put an email that I have in domain to receive the OTP. So I just made it this email. You can make it by your own. I will share you the process as well how you can make your email as well there. It's the alias and this is the original email. You can put any of them into Meta and you will receive the code here. Okay, so now we are waiting to receive the OTP. Yeah, we just received the OTP. Okay, so this is the code, and we are almost done. So the verification is done, and your business manager will be verified within the 15 minutes, or maybe sometime it takes 2 hours, or 2 day as well. So if you face any kind of problem, issues, obstacles, you can let me know in comments. I will help you to resolve it. And also, I have multiple business managers verified with myself. If you want any, you can contact me, and I will give you on some minor cost, not the excessive one. So, as I told you between the videos, I will tell you how I make this like domain email Usama at uopmail.com. So it's simple. You can go back to this, and here you can see, here this is the first page that you're gonna see on your email. And you just need to type anything here, like I'm putting, you can say, uh, Usama here again. So it will create a domain email for me. And if I take something different here, like Usama 2, so it will create a new email for me. Here you can see it's created an alias email. Basically this is an alias email, and this is the original one. But if you put this one as well, like if you suppose like you are emailing to companies like for PR purposes or for the cold connecting as well, so you can use an alias email. But uh, beyond this, like back of this email is the valid one. You can use this one, and same emails will be routed from the alias email to this email. I will cover this subject into my different video, in which I will tell you how alias emails works. So yeah, about one thing more, if you face the phone verification as well on MetaSuite, that happens sometime, and for some countries as well. I have pasted uh, I have pasted uh, a temp phone number website as well, by which you can receive the OTPs. There are multiple websites that are available. So thank you for watching the videos. Hope to see you more